In my previous video I described a well-known scroll saw driving system called the parallel arm system. Most of the scroll saws use this system. However, do all scroll saws use what is called the parallel link system? The parallel link system you see in this video is much complex than the parallel arm system, and uses more components to drive the saw blade. The advantage of this system is its low vibration characteristics. As you can see, the parallel link system consists of two pivoting short arms, connected to the parallel links which in turn connected to the back link. The blade is connected to the short arms. Shorter pivoting arms reduce vibration substantially. The driving mechanism is connected to the back link with a crank. The crank receives its motion from a variable speed electric motor. To balance the crank there must be a counterweight which reduces the vibration. However, due to up and down motion of the short arms, the scroll saw creates some vibration. Therefore the scroll saw must also be sturdy enough to counteract against this vibration. Therefore the body and the cutting table of the scroll saw should be cast iron. More components means increased manufacturing cost. If you are planning to use your scroll saw a lot, it is worth to consider buying a scroll saw which uses this system. I appreciate your visit and encourage you to subscribe to our channel.